This is a really interesting place from a marine perspective.
Not far from downtown Tacoma,
The kelp forest that we're going to see is like a coral reef or a tropical forest in terms of creating and sustaining an entire community and ecosystem.
the kelp here are thriving thanks to the strong currents that keep the waters cool and clean. The same cannot be said for kelp forests to the south.
The losses in South Puget Sound are alarming, yeah.
Signs of stress, predator kelp crab, and invasive kelp from Japan can be found here at Point Defiance as well. But according to the state's Department of Natural Resources, entire kelp beds are vanishing between Tacoma and Olympia.
We attribute this to really elevated water temperatures since 2013.
DNR says warmer waters from the so-called blob and El Nino have weakened the kelp population. And in areas where sediment, erosion, and development occurs, the kelp are dying, eliminating a vital food source.
Fish, animals, birds, marine mammals, orca.
I think we always think about the forest that we're seeing on the landscape, and we forget sometimes about the forest underneath our water.
State Lands Commissioner Hillary Franz, who earlier this year got record spending increases from legislators for wildfires, may need to make another sales pitch to help the state's kelp.
The smoke in the air got everybody paying attention. The more we can elevate this as a problem and how significant the problem is and how it relates to the survival of Chinook, our salmon populations, and our orca, the more I believe we're going to get investments.
The state's putting together a final report to get the word out about the kelp situation. The one factoid DNR thinks really will help raise awareness is the fact that of the 4 kelp beds they studied here in South Puget Sound, 2 of those 4 are gone. In Olympia, Drew Mickelson, King 5 News.